Get ready for a roller coaster of emotions in the latest Gupedantha Manasu episode. Balu's surprising new gig as an auto driver has thrown everyone for a loop. Meanwhile, Manoj's world is crashing down around him with mounting debts and a humiliating encounter at the restaurant. Adding fuel to the fire, family tensions reach boiling point, leaving viewer on the edge of their seats. Tension filled the air in the latest episode of Gupedantha Manasu. Manoj's mounting debts, Meena's family strife, and Balu's unexpected new career as an auto driver all converged to create a dramatic turn of events. Manoj's financial troubles deepened when his lender cornered him at the restaurant where he worked, forcing him to plead for more time. Adding insult to injury, Manoj's friend exploited his predicament, ordering a feast and leaving Manoj to foot the bill. The furious restaurant owner issued a stern warning, leaving Manoj in a precarious position. Meanwhile, Satyam's return from Meena's parents' house sparked a heated argument with Prabhavati. While relieved to learn that Meena's parents hadn't given them any money, Prabhavati quickly shifted her accusations to Meena, claiming she was secretly funding Shiva's medical treatment. The arrival of Meena and Balu only exacerbated the tension. Prabhavati revealed to Meena that Balu was responsible for Shiva's broken arm, further fueling the already strained relationship between the two families. Satyam confronted Balu, expressing his disappointment in his impulsive behavior and the shame it brought upon their family, especially considering Meena's unwavering trust in him. Balu, while apologetic to Satyam, remained defiant, insisting he had done nothing wrong. As Balu embarked on his new career as an auto driver, keeping the sale of his car a secret from everyone except his close friends, Manoj's situation took a turn for the worse. After accidentally spilling sambar on a customer and subsequently escalating the situation, he was fired from his job. His boastful exit, promising future success, did little to mask his desperation. The existing family tensions reached a boiling point when Meena's mother, Parvati, and grandmother, Sumitra, arrived at Satyam's house. Prabhavati's hostility towards them was met with Satyam's firm rebuke, but the damage was done. Meena angrily confronted her mother, demanding to know the reason for their visit, just as Shiva's accidental dropping of a prayer plate highlighted the lingering pain from his injury. Parvati's criticism of Balu, overheard by him, led to a final, explosive confrontation. Taunted by Shiva, Balu lashed out, striking the child once again and solidifying the rift between the families. With Balu's outburst, the delicate threads binding these families are severed. Parvati's interference and Shiva's vulnerability fueled the flames. This Deepavali, amidst the festive lights, shadows of resentment deepen. Can forgiveness bridge this chasm, or are we witnessing the prelude to an irreparable fracture? Only time will tell.